Where is he?
He's scared.
Where is he? Oh.
It's okay.
That reminds me of my bearded dragon.
Why are you playing Undertale, bro?
What, do you have a problem with it?
No, I'm just saying.
Oh, bro, you moved him. He's on a basketball. Oh, he's moving.
Don't touch him. I know a way to calm one down.
Are you sure about that?
Yes.
Don't touch that.
Put your finger right underneath it, and it will accept it or not.
You sure about
It
that?
didn't accept mine, so someone else can do it.
So, like...
No, like your finger.
No, don't hurt him.
Not two fingers.
He's giving me the light skin stare.
Is he actually?
Yes.
Hey, yo!
Oh, he jumped.
I think he denied it. All right, someone else do it. Oh,
No.
No, I mean, he ran off.
I see him. I see him. He's still there.
stop moving closer to it.
He's right there. Oh, he's on the wheel.
Stop.
Bro, he got scared of you, man. Yo, can someone turn down the Undertale? Yeah, there's this death swing that literally it's a death swing. So like, it's like not screwed in. So like, let's just say someone's riding it. It will like flip over if you're going hard enough. But Valis, are you still trying to get him? Man, he's brave.
He doesn't accept, yeah.
Yo, I want to keep him as a pet.
Okay.
I can't.
Why y'all still chasing that lizard, bro?
Because he's
I'm trying to
cute.
see if it will accept my thing. But no.
I want to keep him.
You tried to do it, because I know you think that's bad.
I want to keep him so bad. Where'd he go? Oh, he's up there.
Anyway, it's just,
Hey, buddy.
it'll be better if I could. Trust me. I see the thing.
Where'd he go? Oh, there he is. He's kind of.
Right. Dallas and Ron.
He's right there.
So youngest to oldest?
Oldest to youngest. Yeah, oldest to youngest. No,
So
I'm older than him. I'm older.
So you're second.
Yeah. I'm older.
He ain't moving.
Now it's my turn.
You think it's like,
I let go of the ball.
He's right there.
Alright, you go.
Oh,
Bro, that was
he looks so camouflaged.
No, let me pass the ball.
Okay, he might be here tomorrow, but we are leaving to Florida tomorrow, so like I will take some videos on the trip or like make videos at the condo or something, but like yeah, he might not be there. Then after that we're going on a cruise.
oh, I'm him. What? Oh, you were talking about that? I don't. Okay, I just snapped his head.
Okay, I'm gonna just go on the death swing. Holy crap, that was about to kill me, bro. That almost shoved into my leg. There we go. Oh my god. Ah! Okay. Yo, I'm gonna ride this. Oh, it works! Yeah, that thing's slow as crap. Guys, guess what? This leaf just landed, but guess what? He's dead. Liam, you're on YouTube. I'm gonna try this thing again. Let's see if this one. Let's see if it works. legs hurt so bad. Okay. I went far. Why is my hair so flat though? Soft. Far ball. Seriously, that ball went far. I'm gonna go jog. I just fell. Ow. Okay, I'm good. We're good. Yo, Liam! I hit your car. Wait, I have to pay car insurance. No! No! Yeah? Bet. Landed in the garage from all the way over there. Okay, what? Yo, my brother has a YouTube channel because he got inspired by me. And it's called My Name is Liam. And this is what it looks like. Liam, I'm going to show them your YouTube channel.
What?
I'm showing them your YouTube channel.
Oh.
Give it to me. Give me the phone. He literally copied my name, but his name, so. And his real name is that. He has 2 subscribers. Go subscribe to him and look at his videos. But anyways, you guys, are you ready?
Spray.
I'm gonna see if that lizard's still here.
I was over here, Mama.
Okay, let's see if the lizard is there.
The lizard's right there.
Where? Where's the lizard?
Right there, Silas.
Oh, right there.
You see that? Wait, hold on. What do you think I said?
Sick.
What's yours?
The pole is right there. Transition. I'm gonna kick this thing over. Perfect. Okay, but on a real note, I gotta put this back up. Done. Oh no! Bye bye.